This video is part of a lesson series that includes a small collection of videos along with a quick start PDF guide, and is created to give you an overview of Beaver Builder AI. How it works is by connecting to agents such as Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, Grok. There's a bunch of them out there. I'm going to focus on Claude for this lesson series because that seems to be the most popular choice. Let's take a look at the custom module. The custom module can be used standalone to build out content, but it's also the default medium that Beaver Builder AI will use for building content. It's a block type module, so it works with both the Gutenberg block editor and Beaver Builder. Every piece of content generated by a Beaver Builder AI is centered around a design system. And if you don't have a design system to work with, one will automatically be created as you go. Within each design system, we have design tokens, which are the colors, font sizes, and other stylistic elements packaged inside the design system. But we also have a design brief. The design brief tells the agent what language to use generating copy, what your business is about, all the do's and don'ts, and it can also contain broad strokes about what you want the design to be like. Under the hood, we are just linking up WordPress to an AI agent, and there are 3 ways to do this with Beaver Builder AI. We have the built-in chat sidebar, which is connected using an API key. We have MCP connector, which allows you to work from the AI agent's interface. So if you're using Claude per se, you would be using Claude.ai to communicate with WordPress. The third way to use Beaver Builder AI is by downloading a design kit and working locally with a coding agent like Claude Code or Codex. Tune in to the rest of this series to learn how to set up and use each of these 3 workflows.